What's the meaning of chunking? Chunking. Chunking.
Chunking. Chunking. Chunking is a cognitive process that involves grouping information together into smaller units, or chunks, to make it easier to remember and process. This strategy is commonly used in memory recall tasks, language learning, and problem solving. By breaking down larger pieces of information into smaller, more manageable parts, individuals are able to retain and analyze information more effectively. Chunking allows for more efficient processing of information and can lead to improved performance in a variety of mental tasks.